Today, I'm going to remove the front bumper of this vehicle. This is a 1994 Honda Accord. I also have other videos about this vehicle. Just check the playlist link on the screen. Start by removing the front grille. There will be 5 screws. Remove each with a Phillips head screwdriver. After removing the screws, just simply pull the grille. There you can see 3 plastic fasteners with clips. Since the heads are messed up and pretty hard to remove, I will use a drill to remove it and replace it with a new one. Next, on the side of the bumper, remove this plastic clip which holds the portion of this Fender Liner. Inside, you need to remove another bolt. I've used an 8mm socket. I'm sure that this should be a Phillips head screw, so this is not the original fastener anymore. Underneath the Fender Liner, there's one bolt that you need to remove. Use a 10mm socket to remove it. Do the same things on the other side. On the front underneath, there will be 2 fasteners, but it appears to be missing. Remove this one screw which holds the corner lamp. Then I will also remove the bolts of the headlight, so I can gain some space in removing the corner lamp. These are 10mm bolts. Then try your best to pull the corner lamp gently. Fortunately, there are no clips under the headlight, which also appears to be missing. There is a clip here. Remove it and replace it with a new one, if it is messed up like mine. So I was able to pull the bumper easily. Pull the electrical socket on both sides. So, there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless.